What's up, YouTube? Man, you guys already know it is moments away from being market open, which means we got a chance to get back in our bag and do what we do, guys. And you already know I'm super excited. I don't know what it is about Sunday nights as I get ready to kind of end off my night and get ready for Monday morning. But guys, I just get excited, and I hope you guys do too, man. Listen, man, do me a favor, guys. Get your mind right. Okay, it's time to go to war. It's time to make some money moves, and I want to hear all about it this upcoming week. Matter of fact, speaking of this upcoming week, please make sure if you haven't joined us for this particular week, consider joining us for the weekly options. Please consider joining the Discord and become part of the family at the link down in the description below, guys. Remember, it's important to surround yourself with positive people, with people that's trying to go in the same direction as you on this journey. Okay, so just a quick housekeeping rules, man, but make sure you guys tap in. All right, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and check out a few things that I want to talk about this week. I had this note, man, that I wanted to share with you guys. I got this via email, and it was from that 90s kid, and he said, "Hey Chris, my name is Kenoa. I just had to reach out to you and express my appreciation as today was my very first trade I ever made in the stock market." See, guys, this is what it's about, and this is why I encourage you guys to connect with a mentor, get involved, whether it's the Discord, whether it's somebody that can walk alongside you to show you the ropes and go through the ups and downs with you. Okay, but he talked about this being his first trade in the stock market. He said, honestly, I always had a scarcity mindset. Guys, he's not alone in that. Many people that has never been taught financial literacy, financial education, or many people come with that scarcity mindset. But he said, when it came to investing, I felt that it would be difficult and I would only lose. Man, he's not alone, guys. Everybody feel like it's not for them. It's going to be difficult. Wall Street for years has tried to make this game complex, and that's why I show up every day, man, to give it up the way that I do in such a simplified approach so that you guys can see what's possible, so you guys can understand it at the most basic level. Okay, but with that being said, he says, thanks to your channel and your precise informative content today, my mind has shifted. From this point on, I plan to educate myself more and keep watching your videos. I understand it's just the beginning, but I now have the confidence to continue. Thanks, Chris. And guys, he knocked the play out the park, man. He hit Tesla, major, massive home run, and that's what it's about, guys. Yeah, you're going to suffer some setbacks when you do this game at the level we try to do it, but guys, the wins gonna outweigh the losses. But I want you all to take it in stride. Okay, the next thing we have on the horizon, guys, is the fact that we got earnings coming up. Okay, and we got a few companies that are going to be in the spotlight. Okay, Monday it kicks off, but really what I'm looking forward to, no knock to Monday and the companies that report on Monday, but guys, on Tuesday we have Alphabet. Okay, we got Alphabet, we got Microsoft, we got Visa, we got UPS. Guys, it's going to be so much significance in the things they report and the guidance they give, because they have such an imprint on the overall stock market. Okay, and so it's important that you guys, whether you own these stocks or not, get in the habit of just listening and being abreast of what's going on, so that you know why your stocks or why the market in general may move how it moves. Okay, if these guys come out with something positive, don't be surprised if that continues the positive momentum in the market. However, on the flip side, if these individual companies come out and it's not looking too good, don't be surprised if the market begins to sell off and pull back. Okay, that's the significance of these earnings, guys. If I take you over to Wednesday, not only do we got the Fed meeting on Wednesday, guys, but we also have companies like Shopify reporting, Meta, or you guys may know it as Facebook, reporting, Ford, Waste Management, Etsy, Sherwin-Williams. Guys, they've been talking about this housing bubble and this housing situation getting very, very out of hand. And so again, it's important to listen to all these things, guys. And then Thursday we got Apple, we got Amazon, okay, we got MasterCard. Guys, you got the big dogs. Okay, the real market movers is gonna again get the microphone on Thursday, and you want to be very, very in tune, because Apple can either make or break this whole entire week. Okay, if they get to talking crazy, guys, this thing can crumble and we might make new lows. If they have something positive to say, you never know, guys, we may continue higher and maybe retest some of the levels that we want to see. Okay, and then Friday we got the energy stocks on deck. We got Exxon Mobil, we got Chevron. Okay, you doing their PNG, AbbVie, okay, Phillips 66. Guys, we got a few companies that's going to tell us a lot that we need to know. Information drives the stock market, so that's why I'm covering this. Okay, but check this out, guys. As of Friday, about 21% of companies in the S&P report earnings. Of those, nearly 70% beat analyst expectations. Okay, and that's according to FactSet. This is significant because the analyst was expecting all of these companies to just perform miserably. Okay, and so they have said that over 70% has beat. Okay, that means 30% haven't beat, but hey, I'll take 70 over 30 any day of the week, no matter how you slice that up. Investors are expecting a stacked week. Okay, so Wall Street, the hedge funds, all of that, guys, they're expecting a huge week because it includes some of the things we just went over with companies like Amazon and Apple reporting. Okay, and then the Federal Reserve on Wednesday will conclude its two-day policy meeting, which economists are widely expecting another 3/4 point basis hike. Guys, that's 75 basis points that we're looking for. This is why we say stuff like, if they do something like 150, that wasn't discussed, that never was in any of the write-ups in the minutes. Okay, and so all of us are anticipating 75, and if that happens, guys, the market will either trade sideways or continue slow melt up. Okay, it will continue its slow creep to the upside. Okay, if it's something different than that, like 100 or more, then look for that to bring the market down. Now if it happens to be 50, guys, buckle your seatbelts because we're gonna be moving and grooving. Okay, a few stocks, man, that are having a spotlight that I want you guys to kind of keep your eye on will of course be the SPY, and I'll talk about this in the Discord in the morning. Please make sure you join the Discord if you haven't already, man. Link in the description for that below. Okay, but the SPY is sitting at 394 right now. Guys, let me just check this out with you all. Okay, now the high of the day on Friday was 400. We tested 400, and that was key. All right, we didn't hold, and so when you test and you get rejected, okay, now you come back down. Where did they stop at? Look at the low of the day, 392.76. What have I been telling you guys all weeks are the levels? 395, 393, 390. Okay, if we hold in that range, we're still doing good. Now if we come under, if y'all start seeing stuff like 389 or below, 385 for the low, then that's not good. That's a downtrend kicking back in. Okay, but above this and touching 400, guys, that's what we want to see. Okay, so make sure tomorrow and throughout this week, especially based on the news and the things that get reported by these companies, see if not only can we recapture 400, we really need to get to 401, and then if we get to 401, guys, let's see from there together how high this goes. Okay, and if it again tests and get rejected, let's see how far it falls. Okay, just know I love to give directions on which way the market will go, to the upside and the downside, because there's money opportunities in both ways. Okay, remember that. Highlighting the Discord real quick, man, check this out. Another ad mob followed the suit of Snap. Big gap down with a big gap down called beautiful tradable opportunities. 172 is a very important aggressive trade. Is very important. 172 is very important. Aggressive traders can play this to the upside with 172 as a pivot. Guys, we gave this info out in the Discord, and you guys knocked this one out the park. Okay, and so the bear case, we talked about it being 172 is bad news, put us back in the range of 172 to 156. Okay, and then guys, if you see how this chart played out, again, you guys were able to take full advantage of that. Get in the Discord, guys, because there's more where that came from. Okay, although I'll be looking at Apple and Tesla and Nvidia on this week, guys, some plays that I'll be buying more of, I'll be dollar cost averaging, will be VTI. Currently it's sitting at 197.55, so I might buy a small amount of shares at this level. Okay, I like it at 185, 180 and below. Okay, so right here under 200, I still DCA. I just don't go as heavy as I would if it was lower than this. Then guys, Verizon is another one, okay? After earnings last week, it dropped, and as you see on Friday, it was down as much as 6.75%, down to 44. Okay, I'll be buying more of this at this level. I love to buy low. Okay, I love to buy low and acquire shares on the low. Okay, Main Street, I'll be buying a little more of this at this level. Okay, and then Capital Southwest, the same thing here at this level, along with BGS. Okay, listen guys, we got a jam-packed week ahead of us, some major news catalysts coming down the pipe, so I just want to make sure you locked, loaded, and ready to go, and that we're in it to win it. Okay, listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.